rice flakes milk smoothie or Dragonfruit Rice Flakes milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the Dragonfruit milkshake recipes and one of the most delicious of the Dragonfruit smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the healthy smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice flakes recipes and one of the most different of the flattened rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the milk recipes. We're going to make Dragonfruit Rice Flakes milk smoothie. We've taken around 100 grams of dragon fruit, 50 grams of sugar, and 75 grams of rice flakes. And dragon fruit, sugar, and rice flakes into the grinder. Close and grind well. Pour in 300 ml of milk. And blend well. Now open. Now the dragon fruit rice flakes milk smoothie is ready and can be served into the glasses. And dragon fruit rice flakes milk smoothie, one of the tastiest of the dragon fruit smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the dragon fruit recipes and one of the most unique of the rice flakes recipes and one of the most delicious of the flattened rice recipes and one of the most unique of the rice recipes and one of the most different of the smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the healthy smoothie recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.